Hey everybody, and welcome to the next step to my UDK tutorial series. And in this step, we're gonna go ahead and add some particle effects to our scene, as well as some ambient sound. So now, let's go ahead and look over here at some barrels. I put some barrels over here because it's kind of dark, so I wanted to add some little bit of particle effects to light things up. So now you're going to want to go into the content browser and go over to particle systems, and let's go ahead and click there. Go ahead and search fire, and let's go and use the torch fire. I like the torch fire. Add it. And let's center it. In fact, you know, it might be better to okay. Let's get this all lined up with the barrel. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see what that looks like. That looks pretty good. I might move it over a little bit, raise it or something. It's pretty far. Let's move it up one. No, it's got to be down. Okay, so I think that'll look good. Go ahead and rotate it so it's facing the direction of the player. And what I'm going to do is, at some point, I'm going to add a little spotlight there, or not a spotlight, a point light, to get some ambient lighting going on, but I'm not going to worry about doing that right at the moment. So that's how you add a particle effect into your scene. Now, I want to add some sound. Let's go ahead and open up the content browser and get rid of that. Uncheck particle systems, and let's go into let's just look up sound, because we don't want sound cue, we want a sound node wave. Now let's go down the list and just see what we got here. Bot. I want some good ambient, like bird chirps or something like that. Footsteps. Bird, maybe. Let's see what this sounds like. Yeah, I like that. So let's go ahead and add that up here in the tree. Make sure you add your ambient sounds where it actually makes sense. It's kind of key, because it's based on the whole system is based on the origin point. See, if you'll notice, there's an inner sphere and an outer sphere. What that outer sphere is where you start to hear the ambient noise, and as you get closer to this inner sphere, it gets louder until it reaches its max sound, which is this inner sphere. Oopsie. Let's go ahead and that could be problematic. I'm going to pull that out a bit. And let's see how big that radius is. I don't want it to be consuming the entire map. Okay, yeah, that looks good. And now what I'm going to do is, I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and jump off, and I'll be back in a second to show you guys all the different stuff I added. And so yeah, I'll see you in a moment. Okay, I'm back. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what I did. Okay, as you can tell, I have an ambient sound up there. I added the fire there with a light source. I added a particle effect there for a splash. Also, I added a mist, so it's misting up because it's hot. I have a ambient sound there. I have an ambient sound up there. And up there I have an ambient sound. If I could make it to the end, I could actually show you guys. Look down to improve performance. And as I approach here, as a gameplay element, I lit up kind of where you need to go. And that is the end of the level. And that is the end of this tutorial. That is the second to last steps that you have to do in order to make a map. And there's only one more, and that is post-process. Well, not including the packaging and everything for your map, but the last thing that you're going to do is doing a post-process effect, and that will be the next tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.